Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll teach you how to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over to a new tab and then search in here for apps at shopify.com. And then once you have head over to this link, you should be able to see the Shopify App Store, and in here you should be able to see the Shopify search label. So click on this one and then let's just search in here for AliExpress reviews. So for example, let's search in here for AliExpress reviews. And then from in here, you should be able to see some search results from that. Like for example, this Ali reviews, Judge.me AliExpress reviews. So just choose which apps you want to use for this one. For me, I'll just choose this Judge.me AliExpress reviews. So let's click on this one. As you can see, it is actually free. So click on this install button. Then once you have head over and then click on install, they should be able to open this new tab right here that will ask you for access in order to successfully integrate this application to your Shopify. So let's head over and then try to install this by clicking on the install button right here. Then once you have clicked on that, this will install itself to the Shopify dashboard of our store. So as you can see, this is what it will look like on our dashboard. So head over and click on next. Click on start importing now, and in here you can see this import reviews from AliExpress. So let's hover and click on this button right here, and then in here you just need to put in here the URL of your AliExpress product. So I have this new tab right here with this specific product. What I can do is I can just copy this link right here and then head over to the previous tab. So let's head over and put this right here on our first URL, and you just need to put in here the import URL to your Shopify product. So this is my product on my Shopify. I'll just copy the link for that and then add this right here, and then you can choose a number of reviews to import. For example, you can make this 20, and then you can also put in here reviews must have content, or you can also uncheck all of this. After that, next thing you need to do is just head over and click on this import right here. Then just choose this right here. So this is the t-shirt option. Head over and click on this import reviews. Then once you have done that, as you can see, importing has been progress. So it can take around 1 or 2 minutes and it will not show up instantly. So in here, you can also go and make some multiple product import. So let's head over in here to our homepage. And on our homepage, you should be able to see in here some options or some import history. As you can see, less than a minute ago, this is importing this product to my t-shirt. So let's head over in here to our page. And when we scroll down there, the review is still not here. So when you try to actually reload this, it will take some time for this right here to finish the importing process on this one. So make sure that you just wait for this to finish the loading process. Once it's done importing this, you should be able to see your reviews on your Ali store right here or on your Shopify store in here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.